In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an external page link to Google Sites. This is a straightforward process, perfect for those who want to make their site more interactive and user-friendly by connecting to external resources or additional content outside their main site. Let's dive right in. First, you want to start by opening Google Sites and navigating to the project you're working on. Once on the page, look towards the right-hand side of your workspace for the Pages tab. This tab is essential as it basically serves as the roadmap for your site's structure and navigation. Click on this Pages button to bring up a list of all current pages within your site. Next, we're looking to add something new, which means we should focus our attention on the Add function. Hover your mouse over the plus icon, typically situated at the bottom right of your list of pages. You'll see it come to life as you hover, indicating that it's ready and available for you to take action. This step is crucial because it allows you to either add new pages or, in our case, new links. After hovering, a small menu will appear with different options, and the one we're interested in today is Link. Click on the Link option, which guides you to a pop-up dialog box. This box is the main element we'll be using to insert external links. In this dialog box, you're prompted to paste the external URL that you wish to link to your Google site. Carefully copy the URL from your preferred web page, ensuring there are no extra spaces before or after the link, as these can sometimes cause issues loading the site properly. Paste the URL directly into the designated area. This step is what enables your site to connect directly to external content, providing your visitors with a seamless journey across multiple sites. Now you'll need to add a name for your link. In the space provided, enter a descriptive name for your link that concisely conveys where clicking it will take your visitors. This name will appear on your site, so keep it informative yet succinct. For instance, if you're linking to a blog, something like our blog or latest articles would be appropriate, allowing visitors to know exactly what to expect when they click. That's it, your external link is now set up. By integrating external page links, you enhance your site's usability and connectivity, guiding your audience to more expansive content with just a few clicks. Be sure to preview and test your link to ensure it directs to the correct page and functions as expected. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful guides like this one.